as that. As in the class we stop here. Okay, now for exercise, this exercise here, 5 candidates will be chosen to fill the vacancy in a company. There are 6 females, 5 males. In how many ways this candidate can be chosen? If it composes 3 female and 2 male, 3 female and 2 male. So in this case, we have to choose 3 female out of 6. So 6C3 times 2 male out of 5, 5C2. So if you do this, we will get 200. Five people regardless the gender. So basically you can combine this. Out of 11 people, you have to choose 5. So you will get 4, 6, 2. At least for female, female and male. At least 4 means female must be greater or equal to 4. At least 4. So female can be 4, male can be 1. And female can be all 5, male can be 0. So if I do this one is how many female? 4 female. 6C4 multiply 5C1, you will get 75. Or means this one, 6C5 times 6C5C0, you will get 75. This one is, you will get 6. So you plus this, okay, or means you have to plus, remember, you get 81. That should be the answer. You want to copy first, you can copy first. Okay. In how many ways 10 people can be divided into 2 groups, which 7 and 3. So basically for you to divide 2 group, out of 10 people here, out of 10, you choose 7 first. Okay, you choose 7, and you choose 7. Left is how much? Okay, you choose 7 as a group. Left is 3, isn't it? Okay, out of 10, you choose 7 to be a group. Okay, group 7 people are there. Left is how many people? 3, isn't it? Out of 3, you choose 3. So if you do this, you will get 120. You can also do like this, or you can also choose out of 10, you choose 3 first. Okay, can also. Okay, out of 10, you choose 3 people first. And then left is how much? Out of 7, you choose 7. Still, you will get 120. Any one of them. Okay, you can write any one of them. One of them is the answer. Now, can you try B here? Same method, you try B here. For B, out of 10 people, you can start with any one of them. Okay, you can start with 4, 3, 2, anything. So if I start with 4 here, left is 6. Okay, I choose one group already, 4 people. And then out of 6, I need to choose another 3 more. So I choose 3 people already. Left is 3. You choose 2 people. Okay, out of 10, you choose 4 first. Left is how many people? 6. Out of 6, you choose 3 because 3 here. 4 done, 3. And then left is 3. Out of 3 people, you choose 2 more. So if you do this, the answer is 1, 2, 6. You can choose 3 first, 4 and 2, or you can choose 2 first, 3 and 4, something like that. Okay, doesn't matter the arrangement. You will get the same answer. Okay, try this one. 5C3 multiply 2C2, you will get 10. 9C4 times 5C3 times 2C2, you will get 126. Right? Okay, copy first. Alright, so with this we finish chapter 3 here. Okay, selection we don't need to go through yet because we are going to cover until here first. Okay, now let us go through some tutorials. Okay, we have to go through tutorial 2 for logic. We'll go through that first. Okay, number 1 here, proposition and connectives. In problem 1 and 2, consider the proposition PQ. Express each of the following propositions in English sentence and determine whether it is true or false. Okay, for P here, okay, for P, we're going to do all this. Okay, tilde P, okay, negate P. I going to call this as negate P. So this is 4 plus 3 is even. So how I can write? 4 plus 3 is not even. Okay, so if they say even here, first you write the negation. Negation is 4 plus 3 is not even. Is this true? 4 plus 3 is 7. 7 is not even. Is it true or false? This is true. Okay, write that true. Q also same. Negate P is 4 square plus 4 3 square is not odd. 4 square 16 plus 3 square is 9. This is 25. 25. You get this one is 25 here. It's not odd. It's actually odd. So you write here false. This one is O. O means what? 4 plus 3 is even. O means, this symbol is O. and 4 square plus 3 square is odd. Now we want to see this one, or 4 plus 3 is even, 7. 4 plus 3 is 7. 7, is it even? No. So it's false here. And then this one, 25 just now. 25 just now is odd, isn't it? It's true. So here or poison and milk, here racun and susu, or other option. So you will leave. True. Same thing goes for D and E. I leave it to you to check the answer. I think the answer is given here. You can see the answer here. Okay, answer is here. And also number 2, you can do the same thing. Number 2 also is given here. Full answer you can check. In problem 3-4, consider the proposition P and Q. Express each of the following proposition as an English sentence and determine whether it's true or false. This one also is the same thing. Okay, we have gone through the implication, converse and contrapositive. You can see the answer here. Okay, you can try on your own. Same thing, same method as how I did just now. This is also same in problem 5 to 6. Consider the proposition, express the following true and false, and this one also is same thing. Okay, you have to try all these things and see whether it's true or false. It should be easy. This is very easy. Okay. In problem 7 and 9, write the converse, inverse and contrapositive. This one we have gone through in the class. See how to write converse. Okay, converse, converse. Converse is, to recall back, let's say P if for converse it is QP. If it is inverse, then that is not P implies not Q. You can see the notes. So contrapositive, that is not Q, not P. Write the converse. So for converse, so for number 7 here, if you laugh, then the world laugh with you. If I want to write converse here, if I want to write converse, how to write converse? QP here, QP. You write the other way around. If the world If the world laughs with you, then you laugh. Okay, that's how you write converse. And same goes for inverse and contrapositive. I'm suppose you can do this. Okay, number 7. Also 7, 8, 9 is given here, all these things. Construct a truth table for the following proposition and determine whether the proposition is tautology and contradiction. There's any. Okay. Um, since if you have P and Q, okay, if you have only P and Q, then you can start the table with I'm doing one here. If you have P and Q, you start the table with P and Q, true, true, false, false, true, false, true, false. What you have to find? Negate P, false, false, true, true. Then for your convenience, you can put the Q here, the T is here. I'm writing the Q. The Q is the TF, TF, I write here. TF, TF. So now this is all. Then all means you have option. Poison milk, you will drink milk, you will live. You're not dead. This one is dead. This is you are living. This is you are living. So that's how it goes. Construct the truth table for the following proposition and determine whether the proposition is tautology contradiction. So this is neither. Okay, this is neither. TF, TT. For tautology, you should have all TTT. Contradiction, all FFF. Okay. This is neither. So you have to check like this. I suppose we have gone through this thing, truth table. So you go through all. Same goes here. See whether it's logically equivalent. You can see the notes. We have done this. Now for this one, validity of argument. Also we have gone through validity of argument. It's just and make your life easy here. Make your life easy. I have given you 3 sentences. In this case, in this case, first one. First you denote the P with study map, Q with have fun. If and then, this is my P, this is my Q. So the first sentence here, first sentence is P implies Q. The second sentence you write it here. Okay, I do not have fun. I do not have fun means negate Q. Therefore means you put a line here. I do not study maths. So you put P. Now last class I teach you how to prove this. How to prove this. What you have to prove, actually basically what you need to prove, you have to find this and, okay, this thing you must put and here implies negate P. If you do the truth table like the one you did here, okay, if all are true, okay, all are true, then the argument is valid. Okay, the truth table you can do, but the most important thing is to write the statement like this. Okay, for number 2 here I'm going to erase this. Okay, for number 2 here, if I make a big fuss, then I will not have any new friends. So my P, this is my P. Make big fuss is my P. Have any new friends is my Q. Don't write the not, just have new friends, something like that. Okay, P is make a big fuss. Q is have new friends. Have any new friends. Now how to write? You guys want to try first? You try first before I give you the answer. Number 2, you try first. So if you do this, number 2, P implies Q. I do not have new friends. Negate Q. Therefore, I have made a big fuss. P. Hopefully you get number 2 like this. Okay. Try number 3 now. Number 3, major in physics. Okay, number 3, P is major in physics. Q is major in music. Physics and music. Try this. For number 3, either or. So first one is P, either P or music. I do not major in music, therefore I will major in physics. That's the idea. Try number 6 here. P is hair is too messy is P. Get married is Q. Okay. P is hair is too messy. Get married is Q. Try 6 now. There's another one, I guess. Get hair too messy, get married, and lose more weight. You can put this as R now. Okay, you have 3. Try 6 and 7, yeah? Try 6 and 7. For 6, you will have P implies not Q, not Q implies R, therefore P implies R. Then the rest you do truth table and get the answer. That is for 6 here. Try number 7 now. For number 7, my eyes begin to spin. So I begin to spin is P. My eyebrows eyebrows get tangled. Nose started to droop. This is R. So P implies Q. Q implies R. Negative R implies negative P. So the rest you can try on your own until 20 here. If you want to copy 7, copy first. So the rest you try. Any you try first. Any problem, anything you don't know, you can ask me in the class, or you can also WhatsApp me. Okay. Now we move on to today's tutorial. Okay, I mean the one we did just now, which is combinatorics. Okay. You have 50 question for combinatorics, 50 for 50 question for permutation, and 50 question for combination. Okay. Number 1. Number 1 to 10 is a little bit easy. Okay. Suppose that 7 people enter a swim meet, assuming that there are no ties. In how many ways could the gold, silver, and bronze medal to be awarded? So basically, gold, silver, and bronze. What are the chances for people to win gold? 7 people have chances to win a gold. 7 people have chances, not 7 people will win the gold. They have chances, opportunity for them to win. Okay, let's say 1 people win the gold. Left is how many people? 6, isn't it? So 6 people have chance to win silver. 1 people win the silver. Left is 5 people win for bronze. So we reduce permutation, as I told you, we reduce by 1. If you do this, you should get 210. A coach must choose how to line up his 5 starters from a team of 12 players. So out of 12 we have to choose 5 players. 5. We have to choose 5 players. How many different ways can the coach choose the starters? First player can be any one of the 12 people. Second player can be any one of the 11 people, because one chosen already here already reduce. Third player can be any one of the 10, 9, 8. Okay, if you multiply all, you get 9504. How many 4-letter password can be created for a software access if no letter can be used more than once? So altogether, how many letters are there? Altogether 26 letters. We want 4 different 4-letter password can be created. So 4 letter, first letter any one of the 26, one is chosen here, so 25, 24, 23. 358800. How many different ways you can elect a chairman and co-chairman from a committee of 10 people? Chairman and co-chairman, 10, 9, 90. You guys want to try 5, 6 first? Maybe. In 5 we have to select 5 people out of 25. So first person can be anybody from 25 people. Second person can be anybody from 24. This is 23, 22, 21, and you will get 637500. Number 6, we need to create a serial number. How many digit? 6 digit. How many numbers are there? 0 to 9. How many numbers? 10. So first number can be any one of the 10 number. Second one can be any one of the 9, 8, 7, 6 and 5. If you calculate this, you will get 151200. You can try 7, 8, 9, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Until 10 the questions are easy. After 10 the questions are getting harder and harder. Try 7, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So question number 7, 112 people bought the Raffles ticket. Three names can be drawn, first, second, okay. So first, second, third prize 112, 111, 11. So if you multiply this, this jockey has to choose 3 songs for the last few minutes. If there are 9 songs, so out of 9 you have to choose 3. We have to choose 3 out of 9, 5, 0, 4. How many words with or without meaning can be formed using all the letters of the word equation? Okay, exactly 1. So basically we have to use all the letters. No, we cannot choose. We have to choose all. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 factorial. Is there any similar letter, same letter there? E, Q, U, A, T, all are different letters. Okay, so this is the answer. If similar letter, we have to divide that. Remember, we have to divide with that factorial. In how many ways can the letters of the C cup be arranged in a row? Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 factorial, which is 100, 20. No same letter here, so we don't need to divide. So this is the answer until 10. It's quite easy, just to warm up yourself. Copy first if you want. Now 11. The perfect square numbers between 0 and 10. Okay. What is perfect square numbers? Perfect square numbers means like this. Normally, how we write numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, something like this, isn't it? 5, 6, all these things. Perfect square is you square the number. 1 square, what do you get? 1. 2 square, what do you get? 4. 3 square, 9. 4 square, 16. 5 square, 25, 36, something like that. Okay. This is all perfect square numbers. This is all perfect square. You can keep on you can keep on going. 7 square become 49. So all these perfect square numbers. So out of 10 to 9, 0 to 10, 0, 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Out of these numbers, how many numbers are perfect square? These are the red color is the perfect square. How many numbers? 1, 4 and 9. So out of, you have to choose these three numbers. The perfect square numbers between 0 and 3 are 1, 4, 9, used to form a two digit number. So 3, okay, only 3 numbers, isn't it? 3, 2. Answer is 6. That is the answer. Number 12. How many 6-digit numbers? How many 6-digit numbers can be formed using all the numbers given? If no repetition and digits are allowed, no repetition is permutation. No repetition is permutation. Okay, A. How many 6 digits? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. You multiply this, you should get 20160. Repetition is allowed. That is sample actually. The first counting principle. Okay, sample. This is sample. Sample is repetition is allowed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. When repetition is allowed, you can write all 8. And this is 8 to the power of 6. You will get 262144. Okay, just want to compare. I give this question, just want you to compare. When repetition is not allowed, it becomes permutation. When repetition is allowed, it becomes sample. Both of them, arrangement is important, order is important. Okay, order important. Order is, we have to take in consider the order. In how many ways can the letters of word Kerbetulan is arranged if the vowels are next to each other? So this is something new. This one I need to teach you. Okay, the vowels are next to be each other. Okay, vowels is E, E, U, A. So I'm going to arrange now. How many letters are there? 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Now the vowels are next to each other. So when they move, when we arrange, we have to make sure the whole vowels are moving together, one gang. So I'm going to write here E, E. Okay, this is the idea. This is the method we are doing this. E, E, U, A. Okay, the rest you leave it. These vowels now are next to each other. They have to be next to each other. When you move, you arrange, you have to consider this is one gang. They move together. They move together. So we have to consider now like this. This is 1. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. They arrange. Okay. Let's say all 6 items or 6 numbers or 6 letters. They arrange themselves. What is the formation? If they arrange all together, permute, do the permutation all together is 6 factorial. The formula arrange 6 factorial, and then inside the vowels here, they can arrange themselves like E, U, A, E. They can arrange. How many ways they can arrange? How many letters are there? 4. Multiply 4 factorial. Okay, this is something new I'm teaching you. Okay, this is the formula. This is how we do this type of questions. What I do first, they say vowels are next to each other. Okay, next to each other. In this case, we have to put all the vowels together, one gang. We have to consider this as one gang. That's why I put 1 here. The rest is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, how many ways they can permute? 6 factorials. Okay, within inside them, okay, inside the vowels, they can interchange themselves. How many way? 4 factorials way. Okay, think like that, and then divide by any same letter are there. E and E appear 2 times. Okay, E and E appear 2 times. We say just in the class just now, if you see same letter, you divide by 2 factorial. Now if you do this, what do you get? Thirteen is answer. For 13, answer is 8640. Okay, you can copy first. I'm going to go through the question 13 again, giving some extra question on 13. We are still in 13, question 13. Okay, this is the answer for 13. Now I'm going to erase this. I'm going to erase this. Listen carefully. I'm going to erase this. Now, in how many ways can this is some kind of extra question. In how many ways can the letters of the Kerbotolan be arranged? That's it. The question now is, in how many ways can the letters of word Kerbotolan be arranged? This one, no. Don't put a condition. No condition. Only this one. So in this case, how many ways all the letters can be arranged? How many ways? How many letters are there just now? 9, isn't it? Okay. You have 9 letters, 9 factorials, divide by how many letters are same? 2. If you do this, how much you get? This one no condition. You will have 181440. Okay, 181440. What does this 181440 consist? It consists vowels together and vowels not together. Hope you guys can understand. This 181440, okay, is a combination of vowels are together, vowels are not together. Okay, so just now the question is, what we get the answer. Remember, I let me redo again. Okay, let me redo again. The question is, if the vowels are next to each other. So next to each other means 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, next to each other, what we have to do? Take all the vowels, put here, make it one gang. Make this as one gang because they're going to move together. We cannot separate that. 1 2 3 4 5 6. What to do? 6 factorial, and then look inside the gang there. The vowels, how many? 1 2 3 4. 4 factorial, divide by any same letter. Yes, we have same letter. 2 factorial, and we get this one. How much we get just now? 8640. So 8640. Okay, out of 181440, 8640 arrangements are together. Vowels are together. Okay, vowels are together. How much is vowels are not together? What do you have to do? 181440 minus 86 181440 minus 8640, you will get the vowels are not together. I'm just giving an extra question here for you to do the next questions. If you do this, the answer is 172800. So that's the answer. Vowels are not together. In case if the question asks you, okay. Of course, question 13 is vowels are not together. The answer is this one. But how to find vowels are not together? This is the method. Okay. Find the without condition general minus vowels together. You will get vowels not together. Okay. Copy this one first. Okay, so I erase this one. We go for question 14 now. How many 4-digit numbers greater than 4000 can be formed? Okay, 4 digits number greater than 4000. How many 4 digits number greater than 4000 can be formed from the digit? Okay, so greater than 4000 means this first number must be 4 and above. Okay, the first number here must be greater or equal to 4. Okay, so how many number greater of 4 here? Greater than 4000 mean it can start with 4. 4100 also greater than 4000, but since we don't have 4 here, we choose 5, 6, 7. So the first number, how many option we have? First number must be taken out of which three numbers? These three numbers are 5, 7 or 6. So any of the three numbers can be the first number. Okay, all right. So one number goes inside here already. Okay, one number is taken already. Let's say 7 is taken. Left is how many number? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. The rest you just reduce and reduce. Fourteen is 108, 80. In how many ways can the letters of word England be arranged if the first and the last digits are to be vowels? Okay. So now 7 are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. If the first and last digit must be vowels, how many vowels are there? E and A. Okay, E and A. So the first letter, okay, first letter can be any one of them, any one of the E and A. So how many options you have? 2, any one of them. One number goes inside here. I mean one letter goes inside here. Left is how many letter? Only one. Okay, the first letter can be taken any one of the letter E and A. Okay, two option. Any one of them can go inside here. One, let's say E goes inside here. Left is A only one option for the last letter. Okay, E and A, no more already. Left is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, if you do this, what do you get? If you do this, 2 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 and 1. 2, 5, 4, 2, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 1. You get 240. But remember, any same letter are there? N. Okay, there are 2 n. So divide by 2 factorial, you get 120. That is the answer. Whenever you see same letter, same number, same books, similar item, you divide by that factorial. Number 16. In how many ways can the letters of word curly be arranged so that the vowels are placed in the even place position? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Where is the even place position? Even place. Second, fourth, sixth. This is even place position. What kind of number we are going to place here? What kind of number? Vowels. How many vowels are there? E, I, U. Three vowels. So the first place can be any one of the three vowels. The second position can be any one of the two vowels. Third one must be one vowels. Okay. And then if E, I, U is no more there, left is K, L, R. 3, 2, 1. You multiply all, you will get 36. Number 17 now. 17. 9 boys are required to stand in a row. In how many ways can this be done if the tallest and shortest cannot stand next to each other? So this one, I'm going to use the method we have done in 13. Okay, in 13. Cannot stand next to each other means we have to find stand next to each other. Okay, how many arrangement are there stand next to each other, and we minus the one I teach you just now in the 13. So for that, 9 boys are required in a row. Okay, how many ways 9 boys can be stand in a row in general, no condition? How many ways? That should be 9 factorials, no condition. 9 factorial is the 9 factorial is the number of boys, arrangement of number of no condition at all. How many you have? 3, 6, 2, 8, 8, 0. Okay. Now, for us to find cannot stand next to each other, we have to find stand next to each other. So for tallest and shortest next to each other, tall here, short here. Okay, let me put it here. Tall here, short here. So the tallest and shortest are standing next to each other. Later we find this minus with this one, then we'll get the answer. This is one gang, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this one is 8 factorial. Four zero three 40320. Okay, this much of arrangement is the eight factorial. 8 factorial multiply with the 2 inside can interchange. So 2 factorial So how much you get? You get 8064. Okay, this much of arrangement, this much of arrangement is the tallest and shortest next to each other. This one is, this one is tallest, this one is together, and not together. Not together. So now we have together. So what we have to do? For us to find not together, for us to find cannot stand next to each other, 362,880 minus, we will get the answer. The answer is 282240. That is the answer. Copy this one. All right. That is regarding number 17. Yeah. Okay. In how many ways 6 boys, 4 girls be arranged in a row if the girls are next to each other? The girls are next to each other. So 10 altogether 10. All are girls here. So this one is one gang. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 factorial times, how many girls are there? 4 factorials. If you do this, this is the answer. 19 now. We will do until 20 here. Okay, we will do until 20, and then I want to do little bit on combination also. 19 here. The letters of word belong are arranged so that the first letter in N and the vowels are always next to each other. N, how many altogether? 6. And I and A. Okay, the vowels is I and A. Okay, this is one gang. So the first letter is the first letter is N, and the vowels are next to each other. Okay, I make it. I first letter is N, so you cannot. It is fixed. First letter is N. It is fixed. So N is here. Okay, N is here. One option. Only one option. Only one. N is the only thing can be the first letter, and I and A must be together. So this is one gang. Okay, so we don't move this one. We only move 1 2 3 4 4, and inside here A and I and A can interchange themselves. I don't move the N because N is fixed. It is always the first letter. First letter is N. We don't move this one. We only move these 4 things. 48. That is the answer. 48 for 19. The answer for 19 is 48. Yeah. Okay, 20. If given digits 5 digits here, find how many numbers can be formed if these numbers consist 4 digits. 4 digits. Five, 4, 3, 2. That is the A. Answer for A. 120. Now for B here, even and consists 4 digits. Even is what? 2, 4, 6. Okay. So as I told you in the class, we are going to find 4 digits, and the digits in the last digit must be even. Okay. How many? The last digit can be any one of the 3 digits here. 4, 2, 4, 6. So I put 3 here. Okay. And then one number goes inside here. Any one of them, isn't it? Any one of the 3 number goes inside here. Left is, let's say 2 goes inside here. Left is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, 3, 2. Okay. I repeat. The last digit must be any one and one of the 3 number here. Even 2, 4, 6. Any one of the 3 numbers. Okay. One number goes inside here. Let's say 2 goes inside here. Left is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, 3, 2. you get 72. That is 20A. Twenty B can be done like this also. 20B. You can also see like this. They say even number, isn't it? So 2 is even. So let's say 2 goes inside here. How many option? Only one option. So 2 goes inside here. 2 no more. Left is how much? 4, 3, 2. How much you get? 24. Or means plus. Now let's say 2 not in the last digit. 4 goes inside here. How many option? 1. Left is how many number? 4. Again 24. Or means plus. Any other even number there? 6. Let's say 6 take the last number. How many option? 1. Left is how many? 4, 3, 2. If you do this, you get 72 also. So either you can follow the blue or follow the red. Either one of you. One of the method is okay. Now C, 20C. C 4 digits greater than 4000. Greater than 4000 means you choose 1, 2, 3. Any greater than 4000 means first number must be greater or equal than 4. So 1, 2, 3. Any one of the three numbers goes inside here. Okay, one of the three numbers goes inside here means let's say 4 goes inside here means left is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, 3, 2. You will get 72 also. So for permutation we stop here. We have little bit more time. Combination are much easier. Okay, combination much easier. The rest 21 until 50 you try to do. Okay, any problem later you can ask me. Let us go to combination. Combination is a little bit easier. How many different committee of 3 people can be chosen? Special out of 9. So 9C3. Out of 9 people I am going to choose 3. This is 84. John bought a machine to make fresh juice. He has 5 different fruits. 5 different fruits. He only uses 2 fruits. How many different ways? So 5C2 is 10. 25 people work together. 5 of these people are selected. Okay, so 25C5, that would be How many different 7 cards hand can be chosen from the standard? So you have 52 cards, cards, playing cards, 52 cards, playing cards. You have to choose 7 cards. How many ways? 52 3 7. A bag contains 5 black balls and 6 red balls. Determine the way in which 2 black balls and 3 red balls can be chosen. So black 5C2 and red 6C3. If you do this, you will get 200. How many single matches can be organized if there are 20 players in a badminton tournament? Okay, there are 20 players. For you to have single match, you have to choose 2 people. So how many 2 people you can single match? Badminton, you need to choose 2 people. Do or so 20C2, you get 190. 7. The organizers of exhibition by emulation product came to know that there are still three more empty stall. Okay, application from 5 shoe, 4 apparel, and okay, 5 shoe, 4 apparel. In how many ways can this application? So basically from 5 shoe and 4 apparel, that's a 9 application. We have to give 6 empty stalls. Okay, no condition is imposed. Out of 9, we have to give to any 6 of them. 6C, 9C6. You will have 84. Okay. There is 9 shoe, 4 apparel. Okay. Out of 9, you have to choose 6 there. Okay. There must be at 3 shoes and 3 apparels. So out of 5 you choose 3. Out of 4 you choose 3. You will have 40. There must be at least 4 shoe stalls, at least 4. Okay, so in that case, at least 4 means shoe and apparel, we have to choose, we have to give 6, remember. At least 4 means greater or equal to 4. So shoe 4 means apparel is 2, shoe 5 means apparel is 1, and can shoe be 6? 0 cannot, because shoe is only 5, only 5 applications, so we cannot go until 6 here. Okay, so here 5C4, 4C2, or means plus 5C5, 4C1. You will get 34. How many ways a PIBG committee be formed consisting of 5 members from 8 men, 4 women if there must be at least 3 women included? Okay. Woman, men. Now at least 3 women. If I put 3 here, men should be how many people you have to find? 5. If I put woman 4 here, man is 1. Woman can I put woman as 5 here? Woman is only 4, so I cannot go until 5, only here. Okay, so in this case, this one is, I need to choose 3 women, 2 men. 3 women, 2 men. Out of 4, I choose 3 women. Out of 8 men, I choose 2. Plus, out of 4 women, I choose 4. Out of 8, I choose 1. Number 8 here, you should get 120. A college student can choose from 5 computer subjects and 4 science subjects. In how many ways can he choose 3 computer subjects and 2 science subjects? Very easy. 5C 5C 3 times and n means times 4C2, you will have 60. In how many ways can 11 players can be chosen from 15 boys? 15 C 11, 10 is 1 3 6 5. 5 students were chosen at random from class to represent their class in safe water campaign. If there are 30 students, in how many ways can choose 5 students? 30C5, that would be 142506. And last one, 12. 7C3, that would be 35. So the rest you try to do until 50. I think I have a recording I try to share other answer for this one, so that we can finish faster the combinatorics tutorial. And when you finish, you come back to UTHM after finishing your semester break. You can ask me any doubt regarding combinatorics. Alright, with that, that's all for today. I'll see you guys on after the semester break. Okay, take care then. Bye.